parts of a big mass of a cloud get opposite charged. Then there is a lightning flash due to a discharge of electricity from the negative part of the cloud to the positive part of the same cloud. Sometimes a cloud with a strong negative charge passes close to the ground. The negative charge of the cloud repels the negative charge on the Earth's surface. So, an excess of positive charge is built up on objects on the Earth. Then there is an electrical discharge from the cloud to ground, which we see as lightning. In thunder, a bolt of lightning is always followed by a clap of thunder. The lightning heats the air in its path. It does this so rapidly that there is a sudden expansion of air, producing a partial vacuum. The air all around rushes in to fill the space. The rushing air produces the great volume of sound that we hear as thunder.
Well, do you have any questions?
In a thunderstorm, thunder and lightning happen at the same time. Yet, we hear thunder after we have seen the lightning. Why does this happen?
Thank you for that question. Now, the reason is that light travels faster than sound. Now, for light travels a distance of 300,000 kilometers in only 1 second, whereas sound travels a distance of only 330 meters in 1 second, which means that we see lightning the moment it flashes. So whereas sound, it travels a distance of only 330 meters in 1 second. So it takes a few seconds to reach the same distance as that reached by light. These facts helps us to determine where lightning happens. And the time elapsed between seeing the lightning and hearing the thunder is noted down by a stopwatch. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, students, let me tell you that lightning has a tremendous amount of electricity. It can strike buildings, houses, and even animals and trees. Therefore, it can be very dangerous and harmful, not even to human beings, but even to animals. Therefore, we should know how to take care of ourselves during thunderstorm and lightning. So, in order to know how to prevent ourselves from such thunderstorm and lightning, let us take a look at this.
Lightning often strikes tall things in its path. Tall buildings are protected from lightning by means of lightning conductors. A lightning conductor is a sharp pointed rod, usually of copper. It is fixed on the top of a building and connected to metal wires or pipes that lead to the ground. Some of the charge that is built up on the ground leaks off the sharp point of the rod. This prevents strokes of lightning. If there is a stroke of lightning, it hits the lightning conductor first. The lightning conductor discharges the lightning safely to the earth, and there is no damage done to the building.
Ma'am, when a thunderstorm occurs, what are the precautions that we should take?
That's a good question. Now, to protect ourselves from lightning, we must never go or hide ourselves under a tree, because when lightning strikes, lightning will pass through our body into the ground, and so we will be burnt. So, in order to protect, if in case you happened to be in an open space, in the safest way to protect yourself is to lie flat on the ground. We must not go during thunderstorms towards posts or fences that are around us.
A tall building built on steel frame is a safe place. The building may be struck by lightning. However, the discharge is conducted around the outside of the building to the ground. The people inside are never harmed. It is best to stay indoors during thunderstorms. An automobile is a safe place when there is lightning. Its body is made of metal, which is a good conductor of electricity.
Well, students, I hope you have understood clearly as to what static electricity is all about. Now, in these 2 episodes, we hope you have learned what static electricity is all about and the different charges that are associated with it. You have also studied how the charges are generated. Also, you have applied your knowledge in knowing the kinds of charges developed, that is positive and negative charges. Also, you have been able to wonder and to understand the spectacular phenomena of lightning which you all would like to know. Well, students, we do hope that you enjoy learning all these through these different activities and experiments, as we are also glad in bringing it to you. Thank you.